Is your Wi-Fi dropping out in your room? The solution is in the wall. You're in the prime of your game. Your stream is on fire. And suddenly, your Wi-Fi gives up. The signal doesn't reach. It drops out. It leaves you stranded. You realize it's not your internet, it's your house. The walls, the floors, everything is conspiring against your connection. What if the solution wasn't a really long cable? What if you didn't have to drill into walls? The answer has been there all along, in your home's electrical network. The TP-Link TL-WPA4220 KIT isn't a normal Wi-Fi extender, it's the master of invisible wiring. It's not magic, it's engineering. Plug one adapter into your router and the other into the electrical outlet closest to where you need it most. You'll have a wired connection and a full Wi-Fi signal, extending to the farthest corner of your house. It doesn't matter if it's the basement or the attic, Wi-Fi will no longer be a problem. Super simple, no setup. Forget complicated passwords and endless menus. Just press a button, wait a few seconds, and clone your Wi-Fi network instantly. Your phone, your tablet, everything will connect automatically. It's so easy you won't believe it. It's the ultimate plug-and-play solution. The end of lag. Goodbye buffering. Don't settle for less. The TL-WPA4220 KIT gives you speeds of up to 600 megabits per second. That's more than enough to game lag-free, stream in HD, and download large files at the same time. Give your devices the bandwidth they deserve. Don't let the walls control your connection. You have the power. The TP-Link TL-WPA4220 KIT is not just a product, it's the upgrade your digital life needs. It's time to demonstrate how easy it is to use TP-Link Powerline. Let me show you how it works. As mentioned before, the devices must be connected to your home or office electrical network. The small device is the transmitter. You must connect it to your switch or router with a LAN cable. The large device is the receiver. It can be connected with a network cable to your divide, and also as a Wi-Fi extender. The access to Wi-Fi are printed on the label. Now both devices will turn on when connected. If the pairing LED doesn't light up, press the pair button on the transmitter, and that's it, your network has been extended. Thanks for your attention. We hope be of helpful. Please subscribe to Hack Matters. Yo soy Dedo Poderoso. Hasta la vista.